Hey there, fellow riders. Today I'm excited to share with you the process of how I built a budget-friendly bike port for my motorcycle using mostly recycled materials. Not only will this project keep my bike protected from the elements, but it's also an eco-friendly way to repurpose items that would have otherwise ended up in a landfill. So, let's dive into the details. You'll need some recycled or salvaged lumber. This is at the heart of our project. I was lucky to be able to pick up some old lumber from an online ad, some pallets. These are great for creating a base and additional structure for the carport. I managed to get my hands on plastic ones from a local business. The ones I got had some defects that made them unfit to use for what they were intended for. The company was happy to get rid of them, and I'm happy to have them. Corrugated roofing sheets. Lightweight, weather resistant, and ideal for providing shelter. I bought these new. And finally, you'll need some screws, which are essential for connecting and attaching all of the material. For the tools, I'm lucky enough to have collected quite some tools over the years, which you'll see me use in the video. However, most of these are to make things go faster. The essential tools you need are a circular saw and a drill. Basic tools you'll need for cutting, assembling, and securing materials. To make life easier on yourself, see if you can get someone to lend you an oscillating multi-tool. Of course, you'll also need measuring tape, a level, and a marker. Also, grab yourself some work gloves. First things first, it's crucial to plan and measure your bike port to ensure it's the right size for your motors. I measured the length and width of my bike and added some extra space for convenience. But I also wanted to keep the pallets intact so that they'd have the most strength. I mostly based my design on the design I used for my chicken coop, which I'll show you in a future video. I started by making cutouts in the pallets to mount my upright beams, and cutting them to the appropriate lengths for the frame. Then, using a cross beam, I assembled the frame securely. While building the bike port, I noticed that I would lose the beautiful view of the fields when I sat at my desk. So I decided to add a small additional roof and to keep the side open, essentially creating a window. That way, when I'm editing these videos, I can still enjoy the scenery. Now it's time to add the roof. I used corrugated roofing sheets, which are lightweight and weather resistant, and they can simply screw into the frame. I make sure to overlap each sheet to prevent leaks. Make sure to attach the sheets securely with screws and washers to prevent them from coming loose in strong winds. With the roof in place, our carport is almost done. The bike port is on top of a slope, and I needed a way to easily ride into the bike port. So I added a temporary wooden ramp. And there you have it, our motorcycle carport is ready to go. It not only provides protection for my bike, but I'm also planning on making some improvements in the near future. Stay tuned for that one. Building this carport using recycled materials was not only a fun DIY project, but also an environmentally friendly way to protect my motorcycle. I encourage you to give it a try. And remember, sustainability can be both practical and creative. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and ride safe out there.